Welcome guys to a new YouTube video. Today I am doing two different videos, to be honest. Today I'm actually I'm going to the gym, but not right now. So what I'm doing is 7:14. I'm going to take and get some protein. I'm going to Costco. So basically it's gonna be running to Costco and running to Walmart. I'm actually out of supplies. I'm actually out of food, like completely. So I need to get some chicken, I need to get some eggs, I need to get some yogurt, some stuff to be able to make it. So I'm going to Costco right now. I think in 45 minutes I can make it back. I might do it earlier. It might take less time than that. So I'm gonna go and try to do as efficient and fast as I can. Today I'm actually going to do two videos. I'm recording the POV driving to Costco and then Walmart, and from Walmart I'm going home again, and then from there what I'm doing is I'm going to the gym. So after I prepare something for dinner and I get ready, I go to the gym, work out, and then I come back. So I'll be recording some stuff. So today's gonna be really good recording. Right now I'm posting a video that I left in the PC posting. So I might take about 45 minutes to be able to make this trip completely. I really need to get the supplies, I really need to get the food because I don't have anything. So I gotta get that so I can get some stuff for the week. So I hope here it's not that bad as people wise. Like I hope it's not that much people right now at this time. So we'll see how it goes. Usually I take about 15 minutes to get out of here. Today I'm actually just getting like bread, some eggs, some milk, and some stuff like that. So we'll see how it goes. So we are here already at Costco, and now we're gonna see how much time it's gonna take, which actually I see that it's not a crazy amount of people. I see some empty parking spaces. So yeah, this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be easy today. Yes sir. All right, so I'm parking right here. I'll see you guys in a minute. From here I'm gonna call Walmart, sorry, and from there I'm gonna go home. From there I prepare some stuff, and then I record myself going to the gym and work out. See you guys. All right, we're back. We are back. We're going to Walmart now. Well, that's a nice actually X3 BMW SUV. I'm going already to Walmart. I'm already done in here. It's time to go to Walmart so I can get the stuff. It's kind of fast in here, but not as fast as I thought it was gonna be. But you know, it is what it is. I don't know why my car feels like I'm into. Feels like I have a. Well, it doesn't feel like I have a flat tire. It's just kind of the position that I had right there. Feel kind of weird. I think it's just a 4. But yeah, all right. We are going to Walmart, and from there we are going home. I have some wings. I got some really good food for me for the week, and some wings for today and probably tomorrow morning. So it's a beautiful day. Actually, it rained a little bit earlier, but it feels really good. So I'm taking the highway. I might not take the highway on the way back, and yeah, I hope I be at home by 8 o'clock. I'm just getting on Walmart. I'm just getting some chicken, to be honest, and that's the only thing that I'm getting. Shit, I thought we were gonna have an accident right there. Some people there's some people that they don't understand that if you're going to go, like, you have to go. Like, don't be trying to drive, and like, let's say you are on a yield, right? And if you already like put yourself in a place where you thought that you were gonna be able to make it, like, just take that action, and don't try to go back. Like, don't try to go backwards. Like, don't try to brake or anything like that. Just go. you know, because it's gonna make people like, you know, scared, and it might cause an accident, you know. So yeah, all right, I'm turning right here. I don't know why that car, he's trying to fly in a Jetta. I don't know why. Like sometimes I think my people just want to play the idiots. Like that SUV's probably going 90 right now or 85, you know, and then they get pulled over and it's like a problem, you know. Like, you're not a pro racer, or you are not in a race car, you know. Try to drive. If you like to enjoy driving, try to enjoy driving, but don't be trying to cause an accident. Like, if you have an accident at 90 miles an hour, you know, you are probably going to break an arm, break a leg, kill somebody, kill yourself. You know, try to like be chill with it, you know. See, if you have an emergency, it's different. But like, people, I don't understand how people are just trying to drive fast. I used to be one of those. I used to wanted to drive like crazy. You know, not like crazy, like 100+ miles an hour, but like sometimes I wanted to push it, you know. And then I realized that there's no point on it, because, you know, you're going to the same place anyways, you know. So it doesn't make any sense. You're trying to go fast. So, you know, you don't have a race car, and you're not on a track where, you know, you go and race. So try to just be chill with it. So if you're one of those, try to just chill with it. Don't get in trouble. All right, let me check in here. Okay, I just got the charge of the, charged from the Costco. Now, of course, let's go to Walmart, and here I'm just getting chicken and chocolate milk. Costco, I haven't seen chocolate milk in there, and I buy that specific milk, and the only reason why is because oh my goodness, I'm looking at the traffic to go to Walmart. Ugh. Oh shit. Ugh. There's no way. Ah, well, this is not gonna be a short trip. Maybe it's probably gonna be slow. But yeah, the only reason why I get it is because I take supplements. So creatine is fine. Creatine doesn't have any flavor, and then my protein is some flavor, and it doesn't taste bad. Sometimes, you know, it might be annoying with regular milk, but then I put amino acids, and it's like, oh my goodness, it's like one of the worst supplements I've ever taken before. It's crazy. Like, the smell and the taste is crazy. Oh, this is actually fast. It actually moved. It was like all the way up, but now I'm right here. So, but yeah, like with that chocolate milk, it's so hard for me to take those supplements, so I have to take that milk. Like, I have to. And then the other milk, I just use it for my eggs, my pancakes, or whatever I'm going to use. Even a regular shake with something, you know. But like, holy, I don't know why I didn't actually turn right there to go to Walmart. I think it's easier if I get there than waiting on the cars over there. So, well, I already got here, so I think I'm just gonna wait right here and make it a left turn right here. Yeah, I'll make it right here. Ah, goodness, so unlucky. I think I'm gonna be for a little bit right here, probably a couple minutes or a minute or two. I hate when I'm the last one and I'm just waiting here. But yeah, today I have that workout too. I have arms day. I'll be recording in the new gym. I think I can go in this one. So I'll be recording on the new gym today, and kind of taking it chill, working out really good, so I can go back home and do some stuff that I have to do with that, which actually I wanted to do, post some clips that I didn't post. So I gotta do that, that's for sure. My wings smell crazy. Like right now, I am so hungry because of the wings, the smell that it has. Oh, it's crazy. My car completely smells like food. I don't eat in my car. I used to eat a lot in my car, not anymore. Hate to having to clean the car every single day because of smell, and now I don't eat in here. But holy. Well, we're here. I'm going to get the milk and chicken, maybe some tuna, and maybe some other stuff. I'll be quick, and I'll be driving back home. So I'll see you guys back at home, and then I'll be recording to go to the gym. And of course, from there, you're gonna see me driving to the gym, and then from there, you're gonna see me working out. Oh shit, my bad, bro. Well, I'll see you guys. I'll be back. All right, we are back. Now we are going home. It's 7:58. I actually thought it was gonna be at 8 o'clock at home, but it's not gonna be able to happen. It's not gonna be possible. That's the word I was trying to say. But yeah, it is what it is. Hold on. The sun is actually hitting. I don't know how it's gonna look with the sun like this, but I hope you can see me driving. Whew. But yeah, we got the supplements, we got the milk, we got the eggs, we got the chicken, beef, we got everything now. I can make well, eat some wings for a little bit, and then leave some for later after the gym, so because I'll be hungry. I'm pretty sure I'll be hungry, so I'm not gonna eat it all now. I'm gonna eat some of those now. Have some sauce at home. Ooh, feel pretty good. Now I have a video that is supposed to be posted now. I don't know. It's supposed to be posted, and now from that video, I'm gonna post some shorts, some clips. From those clips, I'm gonna post it to Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. And now I'm working on the Facebook account, which I might have it complete, like done by this night, by tonight. So by the time I'm working on my computer, editing a video and editing the video of today, I guess I'll be done. So we'll see how it goes here. Now we're going home. This car is not letting me go. So I don't understand how Boothrow Road is always full of people. Sometimes I really don't understand. I'm going now. Well, I think I don't have to take highway. Oh shit. That's a nice car. Well, I'm still trying to decide. Yeah, I'm gonna take highway. I don't wanna get into that red light. Taking highway. And now going home. I'm excited to eat some wings, man. I'm really excited. Oh shit, I have a car. What is that guy doing? Running under me. What the fuck? Look at that shit. That's illegal. What the fuck? Some people are crazy, man. Like I said before, there's some people that they just trying to race, and they like, you don't have a race car, you're not on a track. I'm pretty sure you don't have any skills. You don't know how tires, brakes, like none of that works, but you just like to push your gas. I don't know how people can actually drive like this. See some cops right there. Probably they working on something in there. The sun is kind of crazy. Well, I thought it was gonna be at 8 o'clock at home. It's actually 8:02, so I was almost certain that I was gonna be done fast in 45 minutes, and actually did it in like 45, 47. So, and I have all the things I need. Now I just need to get some bags, so I just take one trip. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this POV. This is just a POV, and it's gonna be a separate video of the video that I'll be posting about the gym and the POV stuff. Then I'll be recording probably tomorrow the video that I want to talk about, or today on the night, about something that I wanted to talk about, and then another ideas that I have for the YouTube channel. So we'll see how it goes, because I really need to record as much as I can so I can make as much clips as I can. That's what right now I'm trying to focus on, that, doing a lot of clips. That's what I'm trying to do. Let me see. Nice. Crazy. Dang. All right. Let's get home. He's actually trying to race, and he actually have a spare on the tire. That's a BMW. That's actually a NASCAR. He's actually trying to race, trying to go fast with a spare tire. There's some people that just don't make sense. Like, people are crazy. Like, what in the world are you doing? You have a spare on your tire. Like, what are you doing? Well, it is what it is. Alright, we are home. Let me just eat some and get some supplements in. From there I'm gonna go and work out. So yeah, see you guys. I hope you like the POV driving to Costco, running to Costco and Walmart. That's gonna be the title today, actually. So POV, and I hope you like the POV. I hope you like it. So let me just park and go home. So I'll see you guys later.